Hello and welcome to VCE Grammar Tip. Today's tip is short and simple, but very important. សួស្តីនិងសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ VCE Grammar Tip គន្លឹះវេយ្យាករណ៍ថ្ងៃនេះខ្លីប៉ុន្តែវាសំខាន់ណាស់ We never attach to the main verb after modal verb like can, could, will, would, must, shall, should, make, and might. So we say they can sing, not sings. They can sings is incorrect. យើងមិនដែលធ្វើ s ទៅលើកិរិយាសព្ទនៅពីក្រោយ modal verb ដូចជា can, could, will, would, must, shall, would, make និង might ទេដូច្នេះយើងនិយាយថា She can sing មិនមែន sings She can sings គឺខុស I can swim He can dance She can cook very well are correct She can cooks He can sings I can goes are incorrect. Great job. Now you know don't add s after can. ល្អណាស់ឥឡូវនេះអ្នកដឹងហើយថាកុំថែម s នៅពីក្រោយកិរិយាសព្ទ can. Like, share and follow VCE for more easy grammar tips every day សូមតាមដាន VCE ដើម្បីទទួលបានគន្លឹះវេយ្យាករណ៍ងាយៗជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃសូមអរគុណ